Are you struggling with hair loss, hair thinning, bald spots, and stunted hair growth? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an amazing hair treatment that you can use and watch your hair grow thicker and longer. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. In this channel, I share DIY videos that can help you to grow your hair using natural ingredients. So make sure to like this video and share it. Also subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. Let's proceed. To begin preparing the treatment, we will be needing our first ingredient, and we have green tea. Green tea is a powerful ingredient that you can incorporate to your hair care routine, especially if you're struggling with excessive hair loss or unnecessary shedding. So, if you notice your hair is shedding a lot whenever you comb it or when you are washing it, then it means that you need something that can block DHT. DHT is a chemical that causes your hair to shed unnecessarily. So you need something like green tea to block that DHT and stop your hair from shedding. So I went ahead and added about half teaspoon of green tea to a mason jar. You don't need to add a lot because even a small amount is very strong. Moving on to our next ingredient, we will be adding cloves. So these cloves are really powerful and potent. If you've never heard about cloves, then you need to start using them or do research, because cloves are powerful ingredients that can help to, thicken hair. They can also help to treat bald spots. If you have hair thinning, then using cloves to your hair care routine can help reverse that problem. Clove also contain eugener, which can help to make your hair shiny. And if you're struggling with gray hair, then adding cloves to your hair care routine will also help and will be of great benefit. So I added just a small amount of cloves also to the mason jar. So for these ingredients, you don't need to add a lot, because if you add a lot, they are going to be strong, unless you are going to make a lot of treatment that you can use for about 3 days or so. The next ingredient we will be adding is rosemary. So these are dried rosemary leaves that I will be making use of, but you can also use fresh rosemary leaves if you have. Rosemary is also another powerful ingredient that I have been using, and I really love it so much because it has really changed my hair. This herb has been a game changer when it comes to thickening my hair, also treating some bald spots that I had. So this herb is important to me, and I don't skip it every time I'm making my hair treatments or oils. So I added about 2 tablespoons or 1.5 tablespoon of rosemary, and then I went ahead and added 1 cup of hot water. Just make sure to use hot water whenever you are infusing these ingredients if you want them to infuse faster. You can also use cold water if you're going to leave it for 24 hours. So after overnight infusion, this is how it's looking like. As you can see, the color changed, and this is really amazing because all the ingredients infused, and now I'm straining out to get the treatment. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, or you are new here, make sure to subscribe. Also turn on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So right now I'm just transferring to an applicable tool so I can proceed to the application, as I'll be showing you guys how I'll be using this treatment. I also like to use it in different ways, so keep watching so that you won't miss any important information. So I'll be using this treatment on my unwashed hair. My hair is dirty, but today is the day that I am remoisturizing it. It is dry, so I'll be using this treatment as a leave-in treatment. And first I'm gonna start on my scalp. I'm going to apply this on my scalp as I move to the hair strands and towards the ends of my hair. Once I spray this, I make sure to massage it on my scalp so that it can moisturize my scalp before I move to the hair strands. So I also like to give some little massage when I'm applying. This tip really helps because whenever you massage, the treatment gets to moisturize the scalp and treat all the problems that you have. If you have dandruff, also massaging when applying will help because it will help to cleanse the scalp. Also, if you have bald spots, applying the area and then taking time to massage the treatment in will help a lot. So whenever I'm applying this treatment, I make sure to massage my scalp. Massaging the scalp also helps to stimulate blood circulation. So whenever you are applying any treatment, just make sure to massage it in and take time to massage your scalp as well to stimulate the blood flow. So once I apply on my scalp, then I move towards the ends and to each single section, making sure that every single strand is well saturated with treatment. This treatment is important because it will block the DHT. And if you're experiencing excessive shedding, like I said before, this will help a lot because you won't have all the hair shedding that you have. So this tea can also be used as a rinse off after you shampoo your hair or after your wash days. Make sure to apply this or pour it all over your hair, all over your clean hair, and then let it run throughout your hair. And then you can cover it with a plastic bag and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then you can go ahead and rinse it off with just water and follow with other wash day routine. This will help to block the DHT and your hair won't shed unnecessarily. So that's the second method you can use this treatment and your hair will thank you later. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Like this video, also share, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye.